chop meat. We don't add weight. Before now, who are you? Who are you? Reporting live from Transcorp Hotels, Calabar. I have checked in and I'm about to go to bed. So good night, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, Calabar. Vivi Cokes is in town. Period. Okay, I'm in Calabar and I'm happy to be here. Why am I here, you may ask? I'm here to relax, okay? I'm here to unwind, relax, and be taken care of. Like, that is it. Honestly, in the shortest form, I'm just here to relax and be taken care of. And I really cannot believe that in my 26 years of existence, this is actually my first time in Calabar. But you know what? There's a first time for everything, and I'm so excited to be here. And in case you missed it, I am staying at the Transcorp Hotel in Calabar. In picking a hotel, I wanted to stay in one that is, in town and easily accessible to a lot of places like, the mall, the bank, and some tourist attractions in case I decide to indulge in any. And most importantly, I wanted to stay in a hotel that has great food. I wanted to taste the culture, if that makes sense. And Transcorp Hotels Calabar ticked most of the boxes for me, which was also a defining moment in making the decision to stay here. So without further ado, let us get on with this vlog. Come along with me, and I hope you enjoy this staycation. And please do not forget to give this video a like, as it helps the algorithm. Thank you. Oh, what a beautiful day it is in Calabar. And this morning I really just wanted to go light. Okay, I had fruits, as you guys can see, and that is because I added so much weight in South Africa. It's actually crazy. So I'm back on my intermittent fasting, and I get to eat once a day. So I was saving my tummy for the real deal later in the evening.
No vexo. Now you are love for my Calabar. Calabar tin sweet. Because Emi Ema. Now you I love.
I'm ready for today's adventure in Calabar, and I'm just waiting for the driver. It's just me today with my handbag and my camera bag. Well, not just me today, someone is coming with me. So yeah, I'm ready. Oh my god, we're going to 2 places today, which I'm so excited about. So I'm reporting live from Marina Island. I'm so happy to be, guys, can you see how pretty it looks? So we're about to take a boat. Hopefully we're able to get one, because it's like past 5 right now. And when you come to visit Calabar, you can definitely get a tour guide from the hotel that would bring you around Calabar and show you like the tourist attractions, places you need to see. So it's a plus. Guys, I'm just here waiting. I'm really hoping we'll be able to get a boat this evening, because the queue is quite a lot. There are a couple people before us, about 12 people, and the boat takes only 15, and we are like 4 or 5 from the Transcorp team. So yeah, we're just trying to figure that out. And if I can't ride today, then I would ride tomorrow or Sunday. But I want to do it today because I didn't pack enough outfits, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna wear tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated.
Freedom. 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 I used to think freedom was light-skinned. Better yet, white. I used to think freedom had blue eyes that would look up to the night sky and smile. Can't tell what the color is as those eyes are colorblind. I used to think freedom was hair I could pull my fingers through without extending my juices to my roots. Shame. I used to think freedom was a body light enough to walk in so I wouldn't have to explain. Okay, it is the next day, and you know what on the street is I am getting a room upgrade, and I'm so here for it. So I would be upgrading my room today, and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I'm getting a bigger room with a living room, and the bedrooms are pretty much the same. Right, so after moving and getting sorted, I decided to take a quick tour around the hotel and kind of see what else they have to offer aside the things I have already seen. I checked out the gym, which was really cool. I couldn't film inside because of privacy. I checked out the tennis court as well, which is just right beside the gym. Also checked out the pool, which is beautiful, but what caught my eye was the boat-like structure just as you enter the pool area. It looks so good, so creative. I haven't seen anything like it before, so I was really astonished. And y'all, let's talk about the food. The chicken and chips at the bar by the pool, oh my goodness, like it actually slaps. So if you ever visit Calabar, I highly recommend you try the chicken and chips at the Transcorp Hotel. Oh my god, you would not regret it. 10 over 10. Okay, so after checking that, I got back into the building and I was told they have some halls available that they rent out for like your wedding reception, birthday celebration, other kind of celebrations, meetings, you name it. So I decided to take a tour of that quickly and just document it for you guys, just in case any of you is looking for a hall to celebrate something. So guys, we are back again. We came here yesterday because we wanted to go on a boat ride, but it was already late. It was around like 6. So I just said, you know what, let's come today when the sun is out and like the views will look better.
Out there, man, I got that one girl, dog, that's always been there, man, like, took all the bullshit.
Let me show you guys the boat we are using. Did he follow you? So where are we going to? Can you tell us?
We're going to Twin Island, Las Vegas.
Okay. Oh, there's somewhere called Las Vegas?
Yes, there is. Over there.
Oh, wow. So there's an island there called Las Vegas. Apparently, they're trying to make it like well, I don't know. I've never been to Las Vegas. But anyway, for them to name it that, they have a purpose. They want to make it look so nice. So fingers crossed. Let's hope that happens. Somewhere around there is Tinapa Island. And we're going to Twin Island. So basically, let me tell you guys, my hair is all over the place. But basically, the reason why it's called Twin Island was because Mary Slessor, when she came, she stopped the killing of twins. So whenever anybody gives birth to twins, she'll hop on a boat and take them to that island where, you know, they would rescue them and, you know, just hide them away from everyone here, basically. I just hope it's a good tour and I will take you guys. How do you wait? Am I wearing it the right way? Gotta secure all my gadgets because this water movement is not a joke. Is it good? Yeah. So guys, we're on the boat now. We're just waiting for a couple more people to board and then we would be on our way to Twin Island. My brain is not working. So what's going on? Please though.
It's a floating station.
Okay.
Yeah, in and call, we call them man and calls. The tanks under may be floaters.
Okay.
You can do it from here to Oron, Bakassi, Kemero, still move it from here to here. It's movable.
This
Station, yeah.
Oh, okay. So we're approaching the NNPC floating station where you can, you know, refuel before you continue your journey. And now he's just telling us that it floats. Let me show you guys. Can you see? And apparently this river leads to Cameroon. Really cool. I'm backing the lights, but I mean, this is beautiful. I really wish I could fly my drone, but I'm so scared. Like, I'm so scared. Guys, the last time I was on a boat was in Mauritius with M. We went to one island like this. We went on a cruise. Okay, interesting. Like, woo, the water. Hey God, I don't want to break out to snake in now. Hey. The way this water has just been touching my face. Okay guys, we're already at Twin Island. It's like a 5-minute boat ride, which is really cool, fast, and gets you to your destination on time. So, yeah, let me show you. I don't know, I just got carried away. Let me show you. So, yeah, we are approaching Twin Island. Interesting. Okay, so this is the entrance to Twin Island and we came all the way from there. Guys, say hi. We came all the way from there and now we're here. I can see me there. So yeah. Okay, so the boat ride costs 2,000 per head. So in case you're interested in hopping on one or experiencing one, it costs 2,000 to, yeah, go from there, from Marina Resort to Twin Islands. So yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, we are at Twin Island. It was such a peaceful ride, like it was so smooth. I was not scared at any point. It was just a very smooth ride, Sha. So at Twin Island right now, I'm not sure what's next, but I'm just waiting for the team to kind of direct me on where to go. I think they're sorting out the boat ride bill. And here, I don't think we'll be here for too long, just sightseeing and then we'll hop on the boat. Is that a monkey? Oh my goodness. Hello, thank you. Thank you. This is Twin Island, y'all. I just saw a monkey. I can't find the monkey right now. Oh my goodness. Hi, monkey. Hey, Buju. Hey, Buju. Say hi. So guys, I'm going to attempt to feed him a banana. Hopefully he likes me because they said he's scared. So I want to make him feel. Hey, Buju, come take some banana. Hey, Buju. Hey, Buju. Hey, Oma. Buju. Hey, Buju. He's... Hey, well, okay, I give up. I actually give up. Okay, guys, see, I'm not a quitter, but I quit on Buju. He does not send me, so yeah, let's continue the tour. Oh my God, he's so scared. Is that a crocodile? Yeah. Oh, wow. The monkey did not send me, and now Paul the crocodiles doesn't send me still. Oh no, I don't know. But yeah, let's get on with the tour. So where are we going to next? Wow. What of the next one? Wow.
Bush pig, swine.
This is a swine?
Yeah.
The skull of a swine.
Same with this, the big swine.
Big swine. Okay. What of this? This is a tortoise, right? Tortoise. Guys, you say tortoise or tortoise? I've heard both.
Goddess of the river. You can see her carrying a basket of water.
So guys, this is the goddess of the river we just passed.
Yes, her name is Anansa.
Her name is Anansa. My hair is an absolute mess, but we've pretty much come to the end of the tour. There's not much to Twin Island. You just get to see, like, we saw the monkey, the crocodile, and there's a python down there, but I chose not to see it because it's not my vibe. But yeah, we're headed back to the boat and we're heading back to Marina Resorts. So basically, all this is within Calabar local government and Calabar South. So we also have like Obudu and other places, but Obudu is like 9 hours away from here. So that will be on another trip. My hair is like doing a lot. Okay, let's take the picture.
face. You better make you close your eyes. What are they finding level? You get in size. If you carry hammer, babe, now extra large. The money you go pay now extra charge. You go chop up more extra. The wahala go extra, extra. Hammer babes, high current, full option. Extra package, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full option. Extra package, high maintenance. High current, high maintenance.
We're not going to Las Vegas.
High current, full option. Extra package, high maintenance.
Maybe men are there. So nobody's allowed to go there.
High current, full option. Extra
No, not
package,
if
high
it's
maintenance.
30.
High current, high maintenance.
So guys, that's pretty much it. We're almost at the Marina Resort right now. I had a pretty good ride. It was just fun, you know, just appreciating the views and seeing what Twin Island is all about and like the little things it has to offer. Because honestly, if I'm being honest, there's not a lot. But I mean, it's really cool just riding. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. You're blocking my lights. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys at the hotel.
All right, I am back to the hotel. My tummy is rumbling. I am so hungry. So I decided to order some food through room service, and I hear Transcorp Hotels Fisherman soup is one of the best dishes they have. So trust me, I was not going to come to Calabar and leave Calabar without trying at least one local delicacy. So I had to order the Fisherman soup and swallow to taste and, you know, judge it myself. All right, guys, so this is dinner. I ordered fisherman soup with some eba, and I ordered fresh juice and water. So I'm just going to dive in, and I'm so excited. Oh my god.
This is gonna be a challenge. Excuse me? Hi, I am looking for this man. His name is Shorty. Do you guys recognize him? At least. Hi, excuse me? Okay. Says an ostrich. A split, so. I've never done a split. Really? Should that be a 40-year-old goal? Yes. So I'm freaking out a little bit because today Addison is going to teach me a TikTok dance. Yeah. Which arm? So left arm. Yeah! But she can't be a hoe. You know what I mean? No. Like, you can do it because you're not married. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll do this, the other part of the dance. Okay. So go to the side. See, that's where I don't have.
Sunshine.
Hi, yeah, good morning. I'm calling in regards to my laundry. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Okay, bye. All right, guys. So I just got my laundry. I just give them like 3 or 4 items, I think. So yeah. Well, hello guys. Good morning. How are you all doing? I look so cozy this morning, but yes, I'm still in Calabar. It's been a few days and I've just been enjoying my stay here. They upgraded me to an executive suite and that's where I am right now. And you know, I just came to Calabar to relax. Like I just wanted a different environment. I've never been to Calabar before.
So I just wanted to come here and experience what it's like staying at Transcorp Hotel in Calabar. And so far, it's been amazing. For me, the highlight of my trip has got to be the hospitality and the food. Like, the food in this hotel actually slaps. Like, it actually slaps. I also love how, like, you know, the suites and the rooms are clean. Like, you know, when you say a room is clean, that's the vibe I got. Even from my old room and this one as well, I noticed that they take their time to properly clean it. So I really like that. And, you know, staying here has just been very peaceful. Like, it's just amazing. I noticed that, you know, they've repainted their buildings and also fixed up a couple furnitures. They remodeled some of their rooms and things like that, which I really love as well. And yeah, so if you ever visit Calabar, I highly recommend staying in this hotel because it's safe. You get your money's worth. The food here is amazing. And gosh, the bed in this hotel, I don't know what's up, but yo, like, it's so comfortable. I find it difficult to stand up. Can you imagine? But I just thought to check in with you guys because I've actually just been chilling, enjoying my stay here. And, you know, I've been having a swell time. But yeah, right now I'm just editing. I'm just going to be editing for the rest of today. I wanted to go do my nails, but I think I'll just do it in Abuja just because I want to focus and, like, just do my work here. And yeah, just enjoy the hotel some more.
Well, guess who did not work and slept throughout the day? That's right, that's me. Anyway, I have come to the end of this video. I just spent the rest couple of days chilling off camera and just, you know, basking in the enjoyment. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed coming on this vacation with me. I highly recommend Transcorp Hotels Calabar when next you're visiting, or if you ever visit Calabar. Vivi Cokes approves. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.